Welcome to Rob Talks. Let's take a look at today's Mayan calendar. Here's the translation for March 31st, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 5 Winal and the 2 Kin. This long count position reflects a phase where energy continues to stabilize through interaction and experience. Momentum builds gently, encouraging a balance between movement and awareness. The 2 Kin is about energy stabilizing through experience and interaction. You're being asked to stay present in your experiences and to allow life to flow naturally. Also to maintain emotional balance. Next up is the Tzolk'in calendar, which I'm translating the entire 13-day cycle in another video. If you're interested in seeing it, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 8 Muluk. Muluk is represented by water. It's about emotions, offerings, purification, and water. The number 8 is about harmony, balance, justice, and alignment. 8 Muluk brings emotional balance and sacred flow. Muluk represents water, the element of emotion, intuition, and spiritual offering. It teaches us the importance of giving and receiving in balance. When coupled with the number 8, it also brings harmony and alignment, creating equilibrium within emotional and spiritual realms. You're being asked to honor your emotions and to practice giving and receiving. This is also a time to engage in acts of gratitude and to allow emotional flow without resistance. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. The Hob date is 17 Mol. Mol is associated with water gathering. It's about unity, collective strength, and the gathering of water. Day 17 is about nearing completion and refinement. Together, 17 Mol reflects a stage of refinement within the collective cycle. As the cycle nears completion, energy focuses on fine-tuning relationships and strengthening unity. You're being asked to refine the dynamics with others and to strengthen meaningful connections, also to let go of minor conflicts and focus on unity and cooperation. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about stabilizing through experience. The Tzolk'in is about emotional balance and flow. The Hob calendar reflects collective refinement. This is a day of emotional harmony and flowing balance, a time to honor your feelings, stay in flow, and move forward with balance. Collectively, today highlights the importance of emotional awareness and harmonious exchanges. When we act with emotional integrity and balance, the collective becomes more unified and resilient. It's the balance in giving and receiving that creates harmony. The energy of Muluk supports emotional depth and spiritual offering. You carry this essence by offering insight, reflection, and guidance in a way that contributes to the collective flow of awareness. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I honor my emotions, embrace balance, and move with the natural flow of life. Thank you all for your support.